What's up guys, my name's Bubba and today we have the Ikea desk hack where I'm going to show you how to take your desk from this to this. Alright guys, first things first, give credit where credit's due. Battle Station's subreddit, strongly encourage you to go look that page up and down. It will do nothing but give you ideas. The only thing I couldn't really find was a really good workup of kind of how to navigate the Ikea website, the different types of countertops and desktops, whatever they are, and how to put everything together. I saw some posts with some pictures, but no videos really. So nonetheless, let's get started. I'm gonna get this old desk out of here, do a little narration for you guys, put some stuff in the links for what I have and everything. There's gonna be a lot of talking. Let's go. So I call this a desk hack because in my instance, I technically used what Ikea has labeled as a countertop. Now I went with the Karlby Walnut countertop. It comes in at 74 inches long by 25 and 5/8 inches deep and 1.5 inches thick. And here you can see me starting to assemble my Alex drawer unit, which you can put on one side, both sides, or even ditch the idea completely, as they are about $90 a piece US. And by ditching those, you can simply use the $4 legs across the entire desk and you save a nice chunk of change. Now the Alex drawer unit is pretty straightforward. Just be sure to follow the instructions, throw on some good tunes. I mutified my Spotify jam sesh here as to not get copyrighted. And when you're done assembling that drawer unit, be sure that you put those rubber feet that they give you on top of it, just to ensure you don't scuff up either surface. Back to the type of desk I went with, it's a hardwood Karlby, and the perks of the hardwood are it allows you various options for mounting, especially if you plan to use desk clamps for any monitors or things like that. Ikea does have some cheaper material options that you will see in their desk planner and that other people use, and they work just fine. Just understand that you cannot mount to these materials the same as you can with the hardwood. And if you do use a desk mount, especially clamp mounts, be sure to reinforce them with pieces of plywood on both sides in between the mount and your desk, just to ensure that they don't break through the surface and wind up falling on you. Now, you'll see with these hardwood desks, some of them do come pre-drilled. However, in my instance, mine was not. You can hand screw into these, however, I'm going to recommend using a drill, and I used a drill just because it does speed everything up and make things a little neater, and it does ensure that your screws go exactly where you measured out and marked. Now I installed both leg mounts that you'll see here, tucked up into each corner as far as I could while still remaining flush with each edge, giving myself the most space beneath the desk, and again that was crucial for me because I knew I'd be mounting my tower to the desk and I wanted to make sure I still had quite a bit of leg room underneath there. I used a 7/64 drill bit, again something pretty small just to ensure my screws went where I wanted them. I'm not really too worried about the wood splitting here. And the big thing when you're drilling is make sure you do not go all the way through your desk. You don't want a hole in the top of it. It kind of defeats the purpose of the nice finish. So just be conscious of that while you're drilling. And when you are installing the screws, be sure you finish them off by hand so you don't over tighten or strip anything. Now again, this desk was very sturdy, and I didn't use the center support leg. I don't expect anybody to have to do that with these hardwood desks unless you go with a much longer length and you have, like, I would say above 70 or 80 inches of length unsupported. Linked below, I have a Signum cable management piece, which is very useful and a quality product. However, for my setup, the cables wound up virtually managing themselves, aside from me routing the monitor wires down my monitor mount and professionally zip tying them. So in this application, I wasn't able to use it. But how much does it cost? The Karlby countertop, the 3 legs, one of which I did not use, the Alex drawer unit, and the Signum cable management device, which I did not use, came out to $304.99 prior to shipping. That being said, this is probably the best $304.99 I've ever spent on my workspace. I do a lot of schoolwork, a lot of office work, and a lot of gaming at this desk, and I could not be happier. It is a hardwood option, so it's a little pricier, but it's a very, very sturdy desk, and I know it's going to last for years and years to come. You have options. Desks range anywhere from $70 to $500. It depends what you want and what you need. So give my detailed write-up a look, watch the video. If there's anything else you have questions on, I didn't really touch on anything extra I have going on here because I really wanted to focus on the desk in itself. Again, my name is Bubba. If you like this video, give it 2 thumbs up. I am an avid techie, an avid gamer, and if you liked me at all, hit that subscribe button, join the Dang Gang, and please keep your eyes peeled for future content. If you have any recommendations on anything you'd like to see, tech-related, game-related, Please leave a comment. Good vibes only. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll be seeing you. Have a great day.